Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily enable personal hotspot, turn on it on your phone. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here personal hotspot. So it will be under the cellular data, so just open personal hotspot. So here you can see allow other to join. You need to turn it on. Here you need to choose your password. So for example, max VVQR. So you need to know that you need to enter here at least 8 characters. So just remember it. So after just tap on done, and after you just need to, so on your phone it will automatically turn off Wi-Fi, so it will turn on only mobile data. So after, if you want to connect it to your mobile, to your personal hotspot from another phone, on this phone you need to turn on Wi-Fi. So I will show to you an example of this phone. So just unlock it, just go to the settings, just go to Wi-Fi, so just open Wi-Fi, and you need to turn on Bluetooth too, and just wait until it will find. So here you can see our personal hotspot. So here you will see this symbol. So here you can see Wi-Fi symbol, and this is personal hotspot symbol. So here you will see name of your iPhone. So, and just tap on it. So now you just need to enter password. So here you can see this password. So we will write it max WWQR, and just tap on connect. So here you can see that we successfully connect to our phone, and here you will see blue screen. It means that we successfully that one device now are connected to our hotspot. So this is the way how I can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.